Hi guys, this is my second Photoshop video on the new 2022 WRX. This one is going to be a wagon because I honestly wish Subaru would bring back the wagon. I used to have an '06 wagon and I loved it. I'm not a big fan of the 2022 redesign, so I made a few changes here. My main problem with the new WRX is the black cladding around the wheels and on the rear diffuser. I think they went too far with the plastic, honestly, and it looks kind of like a Crosstrek now. Especially around the wheels. The cladding is problematic because it makes the dark wheels look really tiny. It also makes the whole car look like it's sitting higher than it should. It changes the visual stance of the vehicle. So here's my attempt at a new WRX wagon. So what did I change? I made the wheels an inch bigger and made the color brighter because the wheels pop more against the black cladding. And at first I thought about removing all of the black cladding, but then I thought I would just trim it back and try to improve on what the Subaru designers were trying to do here. So I made that cladding thin on the front of the wheel well opening and left it thick toward the back to give it some visual movement, like it's kind of going forward. I also moved the little side reflector up so that it aligns with the little vent on the front wheel well. So what else? I also reworked the taillights because the new ones look very much like an older Honda Civic, and just the shape of the new taillights don't seem to go with the squareness of the rear diffuser. I also added more body color paint to the rear just because there's too much black going on back there. So those are the major tweaks. Let me know what you think. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, or let me know what should change in the comments. Thanks for watching.